Hi everyone. So today we are going to design a professional Power BI dashboard using ChatGPT. Layout and UX. Powerful dashboard fails not because of data but because of bad designs. Okay, so too many visuals. Okay, if you put too many visuals and wrong colors, no stories, then definitely it would not give any kind of insights. So in this video, I'll use ChatGPT as my dashboard designer and build a clean professional Power BI dashboard. So this is how real Power BI team works. And good dash answer questions in 5 seconds. Okay, so what do they follow? They follow the clear layouts, key minimal colors, logical flow. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT to design this for us. Okay, so I have written certain commands here. I have written the certain prompts here, and I'm going to use them to design our dashboard. So as you could see, this is our the data set. Okay, this is our data set with customer dimension table, and in customer dimension table we have a customer ID, customer name, and region. Then in date dimension table, so this is the date dimension table, and it is having date format only. Product dimension table, which is having category, product ID, product name, and this is the fact table. So cost, customer ID, date, product ID, quantity, and sales amount. And I have written certain DAX queries here, like total cost, total quantity, total sales amount. I'll show you the modeling as well. This part we have already covered in a last video in previous session, but still we are covering it here so that we will have the proper understanding. So you could see this is the product dimension table. So this is connected to product ID, and this is the facts table, sales facts table. So this is connected to customer ID to customer ID, and here date is connected to customer date ID, right? Date column, and here also date, so it is connected. So this is the relationship which we have made. Now I have written certain prompts, so I'm going to use them. I'll put this on ChatGPT, and let's see what kind of answers we are getting. So this is the sales, profit, quantity, date, product, category, region, and customer. These are the columns which we have, and based on that we are going to ask ChatGPT to help us to design the proper professional dashboard. Okay, so put this on ChatGPT now. So now let's see what the ChatGPT response here. So here, see this nice project, and this is the classic dashboard that really benefits from thoughtful layout, right? Now here you could see this visual hierarchy, top, bottom. So filter top or left. Okay, we can put the filters left side or top. KPI summary, it is asking to put the KPI summary. Trends visual, like middle, and breakdowns bottom sections. Okay, we have filter placements. Okay, top horizontal bar or left vertical panel. So we can decide as well. Okay, this the ideas which we are taking from the ChatGPT, but also while building the dashboard, while designing the dashboard, we can also think upon it that what kind of visual it is looking good. Okay, when you develop the dashboard, so you are thinking how the visualization it would look like and what insights it would give. So you also have the visualization in your mind, and you also in your mind. So based on that we have to develop, and also we have to take the help from the ChatGPT. So why ChatGPT? Because it will increase our productivity, it will increase our dashboard layouts, and it will help us to design dashboards, right? Now here also filter placement, top horizontal bar. So it is saying date range, right? Product category, region, customer. Then we have a KPI section, so direct below filters, full width. Then these are the KPI data which we can use it. And here then for 10 visuals, so it is asking to says over time, line chart, to use the line chart. Then we have line chart or combo chart, options, sales versus profit amount. Then these 5 sections. So these are the ideas which we have got it. Okay, then visual design principles. Okay, see this consistent color, same color for every same color for sales everywhere, same color for profit everywhere. So white space, don't cram, clarity, bits, density, so minimal levels. So multiple things, multiple suggestions which we have got it from the ChatGPT, right? So let's come to Power BI. Let's come here, and first I want to set the background colors. Okay, so I'll go ahead here, and here this is the Canva. I'll click on this, and I want to select this color, okay, as a background color, and let's put this transparency as 0. Okay, so this I want to select as a background color, and on this I want to develop the dashboard. Okay, so this is the background color. Now so first thing, what we have to do, like another prompt I have written here. So like suggest KPI cards for sales dashboard. Okay, as we let's put the title name of the dashboard here, and then we'll move to next prompt. Okay, so click insert, and we have shape and rectangle shape. Let's do the formatting, shape and style. Then we have no text, we have to enable this, and let's mention sales dashboard. Right, now let's do the formatting. So dashboard. Okay, now we can do more formatting here. So we can disable this fill, so that whatever the background color we have selected, that would be applied here. See this, right? Now we can go ahead and we can choose the shadow and all that. Okay, so let's click here, size and style. Here you could see this background colors, it is off. Okay, so we will be, so it will be off. Now visual colors, we have to enable with visual color, and let's come here, we can select some other color so that it would look good. Let's go for shadow, let's make it on, and then we'll choose the color. So if I select this, okay, let it be. So you can choose the color at your end as well while building the dashboard. Okay, this is my suggestion to you. So here I have selected, and this looks good. Okay, this looks good, but we can select more colors. Okay, we can choose other colors as well. Visual border color, we can select this, and here also we can select other colors as well. Done. So this is our this formatting is done, right? This formatting is done. Now we have glow, first part is done, right? This we have another next prompt is suggest KPI cards for a sales dashboard. Okay, include KPI name, why it is important, icon, suggestion, and color guidance. Okay, so this prompt I'm going to use, and I'll put it on ChatGPT to get the kind of response we are getting. So here we have got the response. So why it is important, it has been explained by the ChatGPT. Icon suggestions also, it has been explained by ChatGPT, that dollar sign or revenue icons, we can use it, and we can download icons from the Google. Color guidance also, it is suggested. Now total profit, so see this first KPI card, it is suggesting total profit. Okay, then we have profit margin, right? Then we have quantities sold. Okay, and then we have average sales per customers, average sales per customers. Okay, so these are the guidance which we have received from the ChatGPT, and we can do the formatting as well. Okay, so now we have got the idea for KPI cards. Okay, now I have written another prompts here. Okay, you could see this, like although I have selected the background colors, okay, and I have designed this title. Okay, but here also I have written another prompt, that create a professional color theme for a Power BI sales dashboard. Okay, so we can create the theme, we can ask ChatGPT to create the theme, and that we can apply it in one go. So let's use this prompt, and let's see what kind of response we are getting from ChatGPT. So here what I have written, requirement is corporate look, light background, high readability, color uses rules, right? So if I put that, then definitely we will receive some response from ChatGPT. So let's see what kind of response we are getting from ChatGPT, right? So see this, we are getting color code, hex color code also we are getting from here. We can use it directly, we can copy and paste in Power BI. Okay, but if we have to ask ChatGPT to provide a theme, so that also ChatGPT can do it. Okay, here it is written, convert this into a Power BI JSON theme file. Okay, so this is the three questions which have been asked by ChatGPT to you, that like which one you want to go ahead. Okay, if I say convert this into a Power BI JSON file, so it will provide the code. Okay, in JSON format we will have to save it, and we will have to import in Power BI, and that's all. See this, it is being written by ChatGPT, right? See this. So what we have to do, we have to copy this code, and we have to put it in notepad file, and let's so what we can do here, copy, and here we can say paste, and we will have to save it. Okay, so I'm going to save this as a sales dashboard theme JSON, right? And now save. So this is saved, and here you could see this, we have selected the background color. But now what I'm going to do, I'll click on view, and here, and then if I JSON file which we saved, so I'll click on this and open. Now see this, you might have observed that the color code and design also it has been changed. Okay, design also it has been changed, and color background Canva background color also has been changed, and file successfully added. Got it? That's all. So what happened, that menu activity has been reduced, right? Menu activity has been reduced. Now moving ahead, and let's another prompts I have written. Recommend the best visuals for sales trend over time, sales by category, sales by region, and explain why these visual is best. Another also I have written, this is the best slices. Okay, so we have already got a response from ChatGPT. When we used the first prompt, there it was suggested use like line charts and other visuals. Okay, so that explanations we have received. Even if you want to try more, so you can use this prompt, and you can ask ChatGPT to answer the question. And again, based on visuals, whatever the logic you are using on visuals, okay, based on that you have to put the slicers. Okay, but again you can ask ChatGPT to provide best slicers designed for Power BI dashboard. Okay, so now it's time to design the dashboard. So what I'm going to do, first it was suggested to use KPI cards. Okay, so we can use this KPI cards. Here it is, card, so I'm going to use it. And then we have total sales amount, total quantity, and total cost, right? We can, let's do the designing here. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this format and paste this here. Okay, now we have to work upon little bit more formatting. So let's come to this part, this, make it off. Then we have call out values, so click on this is 24, so let's make it 20. Okay, now let's select the format, it is okay, bold, color is black. Okay, black is okay as of now. Now let's make it middle, so middle, done. Now we have labels, so enable this, and this should be this one, 12 is okay, bold, this should be black as of now. Okay, so this one is also reflecting. Now we have other formattings, like other things also we can do it. White, it is white, so we can select other colors as well as a border, like one. And divided, so divider is on. Okay, so we can select the colors, other colors as well, like this, so we can select it, no problem. Then we have line style solid, so we can go for other line style. As you could see this, that here background color is reflecting as white. Okay, so here we have the feature, we can click here. Okay, fill color, and from here we can choose our colors. Okay, as per requirement we can choose it. Okay, so I'm going to selecting this color, so it is reflecting. Now text color is in black, so we can do the formatting here to reflect the text color, so we can put it as white, right? See this. Now label, so here also, right? So this part is done, now what response we got it, like left side we can put the slicers, so right side we can put the slicers, so top here also we can put the slicers, so we can put the slicers here as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the slicer as, so we have this is the slicer, so I'm going to put this in left side panel here. Okay, so first slicer it would be region. Okay, region wise I want to filter the visuals, so this is the first slicer. Okay, now let's put this here, copy this format and paste this here. Okay, done. Now what we have to do, we have to work upon this formatting. So let's click on this slicer setting. Then we have vertical, so we can make it as tile or drop down as well. Okay, tile or drop down as well. So if I say tile, so likewise it will be reflecting. Okay, now if I go ahead and if I say drop down, so see this drop down values, it would be coming, right? Drop down values, it would be coming. So how you want to display the data, that depends on you, that completely depends on you. So I'm going to select drop down. Now we have selection. I'm going to put the values as select all as well, so this would be the good one. Then slicer header, so we have to work upon this. So slicer header, reason it is reflecting, so you can say reason filters as well. Okay, then font, it would be our standard one, 12 is okay. Color would be white, so that it would reflect, right? Now border and all that, okay, if you want to work upon that, you can work upon that. Now this one, let's select the font, 12 is okay, bold and black is okay. So we can change this color as well. Okay, this color as well, like we can select this one, so this is also reflecting, or other colors as well, like black is there, so black is also reflecting. See this, right? So this is how we can show the data. We can do the rearrangement here likewise. Now what we have to do, we have to copy this and paste it again and put this here, and this time change the values. Okay, so instead of reason, we can go for category. Let's change the slicer header, so it is copy this again and put this here. Okay, product name, done. So we have to work upon settings. This would be product filters, done. So now let's put one more slicer, so let's copy this and paste this here. Okay, so it would be, I'll select from here, remove this product, and this is, we have date hierarchy, so we can select year or quarter or month. So I'm going to select month. Okay, so the slicer header, it would be month filters. Okay, so we are done with slicer parts. Okay, we have created region filters, category filters, product filters and month filters. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to work upon visual parts. Okay, so first visual, we will be using line chart. So this is the suggestion which we had received from ChatGPT, right? So use line chart. So we are going to use the line chart here, and we'll put the logic. So line chart, when we are using the line chart, so it means we have to show the trending lines, right? It means month wise or year wise or quarter wise. So first I'm going to select month wise, and the total sales amount, this amount I'm going to select. So this is what the data we are getting, Jan, Feb, March and all that. Okay, now we can work upon the visuals. Okay, we can work upon visuals, but let's put the logic first. Now we can use the stacked bar chart, where we can show the total profit amount by product category as well. Okay, so like total sales amount, we have total sales amount, total cost, total quantity, total profit we have not written. We can write the total profit DAX queries as well, but as of now what we are going to show here, so like product categories, we have category, I'm going to select, and by total sales amount. Okay, so see this, we are getting the values, right? Now next visual, we can work upon this. Okay, like we can go for column chart, or we can use other pie charts where you want to show other values. So I'm going to select the stacked column chart. Okay, column chart, this one, and here I want to show the data, stacked column chart. Here I want to, so let's use this clustered column chart. Okay, clustered column chart, and here I want to show product name, and we have total sales amount, so I'm going to use this, and total cost, done. Now since you could see this, we have the reason, so we must use map visuals, where we will be showing the data, right? Map visuals. So I'll click on this map visual, and I'll select a region as total sales amount. Okay, total sales amount, so region would be in location, this, and sales amount, it is in bubble size. Now we can add legends as well. Okay, here we can use the legends, we can add the legends. So if you want to add, then we can add category, okay, in legends. So where it is, let me, in legends it is added here, right? So other things also we can add it. Now let's do the formatting here. Now let's work upon formatting. So I'll select this one first, and I'll click here format, more options, and then we have no x-axis. So title, it is total sales by month. Okay, total sales by month, so it is okay. Now we have to work upon this. 12 bold, text color is black as of now, so it's okay. Now we have x-axis, so x-axis is okay. Now we have to select this one, let's make it 12. Okay, then bold and black. Okay, done. Now we have title, so we have to click on this, and font would be our standard one. Let's make it 12 bold and black. Done. Right, now layout, it is okay. Y-axis, values, let's go for values, and we have to change this, make it 12 bold, color would be black. Done. Again for title, same activities we have to perform. Go for font, this 12 bold and color would be black. Okay, now we have other things also that we can work upon this, but now as of now you could see this, the formatting is done, right? But here title is there, so let's make it middle, it would reflect here, middle part. Now if you want to change the background color, okay, background color, so here let's make it off. Now again we'll have to work upon the title color. Okay, so this would be now white one, this would be now white one, right? It is reflecting now. Now we have to go for x-axis values and y-axis values. Color would be white, title color would be white, right? Again go for y-axis, so this is okay. Let's go for white, and here also it would be white, right? So this part is done. You could see this part is done. Now we have to what we can do, we can select the format. So I'm going to select this, copy and paste this here. So like border, visuals, and these are the things which are done. Let's click on this, text color would be white and it would be in middle. Done. So I think everything is done, right? Everything is set. Okay, now we have the lines here, so that we can work upon this as well. Okay, let's work upon this. Now let's go for grid lines. So do you want to show the grid lines? Right, these are the dotted grid lines. It is reflecting. If you want to show, then you can show, otherwise you can disable it likewise. Okay, not required. So zoom slicer, if you want to add zoom slicer, you can add it. We have lines, so here it is reflecting as a solid. So how you want to show that, we can change it. Okay, around or how you want to show. Okay, so this is also done. Linear or smooth, how you want to go for. Let's go for a smooth one. Right, now color also, for this color also you can choose it, that if I select this color has been changed, right? So this is called shade area below this. Okay, so if you want to make it off, it would be covered. Okay, so it depends on requirement, not mandatory. Now let's go for markers. Okay, so you can select the markers. Okay, how you want to select January, February and all that. Okay, so as per the requirement, let's enable data labels, and the data labels are enabled. Here you could see these values are reflecting, but we'll have to change the color to see the values. Okay, so what we will do, select this one, make it 12, then bold, and let's make it white. So see this, it is reflecting now, right? Now again, detail level, if you want to we are done with this. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this format and put this here. See, it is applied, right? Everything is set in one go. Now again copy this and let's put this here. This is also done. Again copy this and let's put this here. This is also done. Now we have to work upon a little bit here. Okay, because this is the other visual, so legend parts are enabled. Okay, so let's copy come here, title, so let's make it off, not required, right? Now text, so it would be our standard one. Let's make it 12, bold and white. This is reflecting now, right? So this part is done. this part is done. Now here also you have to work upon this. So legends, we have legends. Okay, so text color, it should be white. Let's select this one. Let's make it 12. All done. Now category, it is off, so let's make it off, not required. Done. So everything is set. Now bubble size also auto. So color, we can choose the color as well, like how you want to see. For all the accessories, electronics and networking, it is reflecting, so we can select other colors as well as per the requirement. We can go ahead and we can select the colors likewise. Okay, see, it is reflecting now. Category levels off, it is off. Okay, so we are done with this. Now this is the dashboard which we have designed by taking the help ChatGPT. Now other logics also, if you want to apply here also, see this, there's stacked bar chart. Okay, this is the stacked bar chart here. Color code is there, so we can choose other color codes as well, how you want to show. So here we have the bars, so here it is reflecting all, so we can go ahead with accessories. For accessories, so it depends on you how you want to change the visual patterns. Okay, after taking the suggestion from ChatGPT. Okay, so we must take the help from ChatGPT to build the dashboard. So this is done, right? This is completely done. So we can do more formatting here, like we can enable this more. We are done with this. Now let's see that it is working or not. Okay, so suppose if I go ahead with reason filters, so if I go ahead changed as per filter selections, right? Now we can go ahead with if I say accessory, this data has been changed. If I go ahead only for products like headphones, or right, so this visual is working perfectly fine. So this is how it looks, the professional neat and clean dashboard. A neat and clean dashboard, it means this dashboard should give the insights to the users, to the audience. When they see the dashboard, so they will come to know, that what kind of visual, what kind of logic it is presenting, and what kind of insights the visual or dashboard it is giving. Okay, so that's all about it, and thank you very much. Thanks for watching.